Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your all subscription private on your YouTube channel. It's pretty easy and simple. So let's begin our video. First of all, you need to launch on your YouTube application. And guys, this process is also same for Android and iOS. So don't be worried if you are using iPhone. So first of all, you need to select your profile icon on the top right corner, and then you need to select your channel on the top. Here you can see your channel, so select it, and then after that you get a option edit channel on the top. Here you can see edit channel option on the top, so simply select edit channel, and then you get a option. First one is your profile something, and second one is privacy. And privacy section you get a option. First option, keep all my subscription private. So if you want to make private your all subscription, so enable it. Enable keep all my subscription private. So here you can see I enable it. So guys, in this way you can make all your subscription private. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video.